So we start off today's video with this bob haircut transformation. She has this amazing, beautiful copper hair color. The stylist is doing a classic jaw length style bob for this. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I think what I love most about this haircut is definitely the color. Her hair has so much bounce, body, and movement. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So we have someone with gray hair, and she's going to be getting her hair cut into a bob. Stylist added some gorgeous texture with this one. Oh, I love this paired with the red lip. It looks like she did enhance her gray a little bit with more of like a platinum hue. This is just dreamy. So gorgeous. And then we move on to the next transformation. Now, one of the biggest trends that we are seeing right now at the moment is, of course, the look of bangs. We're seeing lots of variety when it comes to the bang department. And it looks like the stylist did a layered hairstyle here, complete with bangs. Oh, look at that movement. Her hair looks absolutely incredible. So here we have another pixie transformation. So it looks like she already has hair that is quite short, but I think she's just kind of going in to get a cleanup, get a bit of a touch up with her cut. And bam, beautiful, freshly cut pixie style. Gorgeous. And this one does have the popular asymmetrical shape that we've been seeing. Absolutely stunning. I really love how this makes her jawline pop and perfectly accents her facial features. So next up we have another long to short. And bam, a beautiful angled bob haircut. Wow, her hair is so thick and full. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys did feel inspired by all of the hairstyles spotted within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.